Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the output resolution for streaming and screen recording in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your OBS application on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the main menu bar. Click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the settings window where you can configure all aspects of your OBS setup. In the settings window, you'll notice a left panel with various categories. Go ahead and click on Video. This section is where all your resolution and visual quality settings are located, and it's crucial for optimizing your stream or recording output. Now, you'll see two important options that directly affect your video quality. The first one is Base Canvas Resolution. This setting determines the size of your OBS canvas, which is essentially your working area. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select your monitor resolution from the list. This ensures that OBS captures content at your screen's native resolution, giving you the best possible source quality to work with. Below that, you'll find Output Scaled Resolution. This is where you actually control what resolution your stream or recording will be exported at. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select your preferred output resolution. For example, you can select 1280 by 720 if you want to reduce bandwidth usage and file size. This is particularly useful if you're streaming on slower internet connections or want to save storage space on your recordings. The scaled resolution allows you to capture in high quality but output at a more manageable resolution. Optionally, if you want to adjust your frame rate, you can also customize your common FPS values by clicking the drop-down menu and selecting your preferred option from the list. Higher frame rates like 60 FPS give smoother motion, while 30 FPS uses less resources and bandwidth. Once you've configured your resolution settings to your liking, click Apply at the bottom of the settings window. This saves your changes and applies them to your current OBS session. Then click OK to close the settings window and return to your main OBS interface. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your OBS output resolution for streaming and recording. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.